What's going on, guys? Let's give a huge shout out to EditorX for sponsoring this video, and let's jump in. So if you recall our previous lesson, EditorX created two master elements in our canvas automatically. These green glowing sections right here are the header and the footer. You can quickly pull the EditorX Masters panel using this triangular icon in the top bar. And just like everything else, it's categorized by type. Masters work only on sections, so let's say we want to bring this beautiful hero graphic in our home page. We select the section block and right click, find the set it as master, then click section. Boom, just like that, we can now see added in our Masters panel. Let's go ahead and use these tiny three dots above the cover to show this master section in different pages. We select all pages, and then by simply navigating to our home page, we can masterfully bring masters anywhere we want. Masters are section elements that work strictly on the current site. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Let's say we rotate this cool shape in our master section 180 degrees using this little icon in the corner. Let's right click, save as design asset. We give it a name and save it to my assets for now. Now, if we open up the add element panel under design assets, we'll see our shape saved along with its background color, properties, and rotation settings. We can drag it into our canvas and even replace it with our current logo. Using the corner nodes, we can drag it to scale it down until we're happy. Let's go ahead and drag it into the header section. Delete the placeholder logo and move our new design asset there instead. Pretty cool, right? If you navigate to any other page, this logo follows along too. Now, here's the kicker, guys. The only downside to design assets is that once you save it in your library, you can't really modify it. You'll need to create new asset. So hopefully by now you have a good understanding between design assets versus masters. Feel free to create your EditorX account and give it a try. Following along is not enough, guys. Create your own design libraries, create your Lego pieces, and start recycling them. As you play with EditorX, check out the Academy X for inspiration, or check out my other courses at creativepro.io. A couple of things before we move on. Be careful when you remove masters from the side panel. It'll eliminate this section everywhere. So a good tip is always to right click the section and detach it from masters, and then you can safely delete it from the masters side panel. Also note that any dynamic block or forms can't be saved as a template. A quick recap: masters work only on sections and are used locally. Design assets are any element that can be shared globally. Go out there and practice what you've learned so far. Then come back and join me in the next lesson. See you there.